the DJI Mini 5 Pro represents a significant leap forward in drone technology, offering a combination of portability, advanced imaging, and intelligent flight features that make it a compelling choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike. And right from the moment you pick it up, you notice the thoughtfulness in its design, as it manages to pack cutting-edge technology into a compact and lightweight body that weighs under 250 grams, which not only makes it incredibly easy to carry on outdoor adventures, but also allows it to avoid many drone regulations in regions like the US, UK, and EU, giving pilots the freedom to fly without the hassle of complicated licensing, while at the same time, the premium construction materials ensure durability and reliability even in challenging outdoor conditions, allowing you to confidently take the Mini 5 Pro into a variety of environments without worrying about compromising its structural integrity or flight performance. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system, which is equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 120 frames per second, providing a level of image quality and detail that was previously only found on much larger drones. This sensor excels in both bright and low light conditions, producing footage with remarkable dynamic range, vibrant colors, and sharp clarity, which makes it perfect for content creators looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography, whether for professional projects, social media content, or simply capturing memories from a unique perspective. And the addition of a 48mm telephoto mode allows pilots to achieve creative shots from a distance, adding versatility to the types of compositions you can achieve. While the 225-degree rotating gimbal opens up possibilities for low-angle, vertical, and dynamic cinematic shots that make the footage more engaging and immersive. Flight performance on the Mini 5 Pro is equally impressive, as it can reach top speeds of up to 42 miles per hour and boasts a maximum flight time of up to 45 minutes when using the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, providing ample time for extended shoots and exploration without frequent interruptions for recharging. And despite its compact size, the drone exhibits remarkable stability and responsiveness, making it enjoyable to fly in a variety of conditions, from calm, open fields to more challenging environments with light wind or obstacles. And this stability is further enhanced by DJI's advanced flight control algorithms, ensuring smooth motion and precise control for both new pilots and seasoned experts. Safety is another critical aspect of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, as it is equipped with dual forward-facing LiDAR sensors and omnidirectional vision systems that detect obstacles in its flight path and help prevent collisions, while the drone's GPS integration allows for precise hovering and location tracking, giving pilots the confidence to fly in complex or crowded environments without compromising safety. And features like Return to Home further ensure that the drone can safely navigate back to its starting point in case of signal loss or low battery, making it one of the safest drones in its class. The Mini 5 Pro also offers a range of intelligent flight modes, such as Active Track, Point of Interest, and Waypoints, which automate complex flight paths and enable pilots to capture cinematic shots effortlessly, allowing even beginners to create professional-looking content with minimal effort, while more advanced users can take advantage of custom flight paths and dynamic shot planning to push their creativity to the next level. And combined with the intuitive RC2 controller, which features a built-in screen and responsive controls, pilots have real-time telemetry, camera feed, and flight data at their fingertips, making the flying experience both immersive and highly informative. Connectivity has also been enhanced with the Mini 5 Pro, as DJI has improved the wireless transmission system to offer stable video streaming and long-range control, ensuring that pilots can maintain a reliable connection even at extended distances, which is essential for capturing expansive landscapes or executing intricate flight maneuvers. And firmware updates continue to bring new features and optimizations, such as Dynamic Home Point, which updates the drone's home location during flight for more flexible operations, as well as improvements in obstacle avoidance and camera performance, reflecting DJI's commitment to ongoing support and enhancement of the user experience. From a creative standpoint, the Mini 5 Pro opens up endless possibilities for aerial content creation. Whether it's stunning cinematic footage, detailed landscape photography, or high-speed action shots, and the combination of a high-performance camera, intelligent flight modes, and reliable connectivity allows creators to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible in drone videography, all while maintaining the convenience of a compact, ultralight platform that can be easily transported in a backpack, making it perfect for travel, adventure, or spontaneous aerial shoots. In addition, the drone's integration with DJI's suite of mobile apps provides pilots with powerful tools for flight planning, editing, and sharing, allowing users to not only capture incredible footage but also streamline the entire workflow from flight to final video output, which is especially valuable for content creators who need to produce high-quality work quickly and efficiently. And features like automated panorama modes, hyperlapse, and creative presets further enhance the versatility of the drone, enabling users to capture unique perspectives and cinematic sequences with minimal technical effort. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro stands out as a perfect balance between portability, performance, safety, and creativity, offering a comprehensive package that appeals to a wide range of users. From casual hobbyists seeking easy-to-use drones to professional content creators who demand exceptional imaging capabilities and intelligent flight automation, and its combination of cutting-edge technology, thoughtful design, and ongoing firmware support ensures that it remains a relevant and highly capable tool for years to come, making it one of the most exciting drones on the market today. And whether you're flying in the mountains, over the ocean, through urban landscapes, or capturing scenic vistas, the Mini 5 Pro provides the freedom, flexibility, and confidence to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level while staying safe and fully in control at all times. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro stands out as a perfect balance between portability, performance, safety, and creativity, offering a comprehensive package that appeals to a wide range of users. From casual hobbyists seeking easy-to-use drones to professional content creators who demand exceptional imaging capabilities and intelligent flight automation, its combination of cutting-edge technology, thoughtful design, and ongoing firmware support ensures that it remains a relevant and highly capable tool for years to come, making it one of the most exciting drones on the market today. Whether you're flying in the mountains, over the ocean, through urban landscapes, or capturing scenic vistas, the Mini 5 Pro provides the freedom, flexibility, and confidence to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level while staying safe and fully in control at all times. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is more than just a drone. It's a complete creative platform, a portable cinematic studio, and a technological marvel that empowers you to see the world from perspectives you never imagined. Its unmatched combination of advanced imaging, extended flight time, intelligent flight modes, and precision control ensures that every flight is an opportunity to capture breathtaking content, explore new environments, and challenge your creative limits. From beginners discovering the joys of flight to professionals pushing the boundaries of aerial cinematography, this drone offers something for everyone, inspiring creativity, curiosity, and innovation. Ultimately, the Mini 5 Pro doesn't just allow you to capture moments, it transforms the way you interact with the world, elevates your storytelling, and redefines what's possible in the skies above, making it an essential tool for anyone who wants to experience the ultimate freedom of flight and the thrill of capturing extraordinary visuals from above.